Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore email nurture sequences in Klaviyo step by step clearly. To restore email nurture sequences in Klaviyo, first, log into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Flows tab on the left-hand sidebar. Look for the nurture sequence you want to restore. If you can't find it, utilize the search bar at the top of the page to type in the flow name. Once you've located the desired flow, click on it to open its details page. Check if the flow is currently paused or archived. If it's paused, you can simply click on the resume button to reactivate it. If the flow is archived, you will need to restore it from the Archived Flows section. To do this, go back to the main flows page and click on the Archive tab. Browse through the archived flows to find the one you want to restore. After locating the archived flow, click on the three dots next to its name. From the drop-down menu, select Restore. Once restored, the flow will return to your Active Flows section. Open the restored flow to check for any necessary updates or modifications. Review the emails and triggers to ensure everything is still relevant. Make any changes as needed, adjusting content or timing to better suit your current goals. Your email nurture sequence is now ready to engage your audience once again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.